Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Success Diamonds. Myself Ayushi Kavra. I'm coming after a longer time, friends. So how was the exams? How are papers going on of everyone? I hope all are giving a well exams and preparations are going well positively. So till now, what all I have told, everyone are following it, and I hope everyone are liking my videos and subscribers are going on. So thank you friends for liking my videos. And okay, now like already I've completed my American poetry subject as MEG 18 from IGNU. It was on 18th of June. On 27th of June, I have now my UGC NET exam, that is for PhD, which when I'll be appearing again for a different purpose, like for PhD purpose. And now I'll be telling you about American novel, that is MEG 11, which I have on 7th of July. So here are the few important points which you have to study while during the exam. And firstly, the required things which one will be used only during the exams. For home purpose, it is the secondary. But what we have to use it in exams, that also I'm going to tell you all. So as usual, my favorite three pens: blue pen, red pen, black pen. And since this both pens are mandatory for exam, friends, black pen to write the question and answers questions, and blue pen for writing the answers. And this is my red pen only for the reference at home. And then of course my favorite paperweight I'm using Indian flag, Mera Bharat Mahan, my Indian paper flag. And now I'm going to tell you which all topics you have to cover. Like Block 1 by James F. Cooper, you have to study The Last of the Mohicans. That is the story of the leather stocking tales it is. And it is written by James F. Cooper. He was the American novelist, and here he is mentioning the triangle love story between Cora and Ankus and Magua. But like how Cora likes Ankus, and since Ankus is the last Mohican and she loves him, and finally both the story ends in such a tragedy, like tragical way. Like Cora and Ankus is died, and Magua is killed by Ankus' father Chingaskuk. So in this way the story is flowing. So like this is the like starting it is good, but in between it's tragical story. And now one more, friends. Now you have, this is a block 1. Block 2 I am telling now, that is by Theodore Dreiser, Sister Carrie. Sister Carrie, it is American dream, how she has come from her ruler Columbia to New York, I can say your ruler Columbia to Chicago, how she has traveled, and whom she met while traveling. Like she met like we can say, like plenty of persons she met over her journey. Like she was having a good neighbors also. She later on she got Lola as a good friend. Then she met the Hearst, who was her husband, who was already previously married, but who was like adolescence was like one certain age was there where he was not supposed to do that, Hearstwood. But okay, like प्यार में अंधा होता है, so like that is the story behind that. So and apart from that I can say you there was even one more nice character he was in Sister Carrie. And since this is the story of the own self writer, American writer Theodore Dreiser, so he's telling about his own life, his own story. So just he's explained in the form of a Sister Carrie, that's all. Like how he was there, how his life was there. And like as per like what all I'm reading the videos, that telling Theodore Dreiser was the, like in punctuation, in everything, he was not so perfect, because since only after graduation of first year only he left the school. So you can imagine like how the uneducated woman or uneducated man can behave. Then we have Block 3, F. Scott Fitzgerald, The Great Gatsby. This is the amazing novel, friends, by Francis Scott Fitzgerald. He was one of the famous American novelists, but due to his drunkenness, lastly he has written all his novels for the Hollywood also. And like he was the drunken person. The Great Gatsby, J. Gatsby. This is also one more American dream, and here how the J has given his like he gets like murder by George Wilson. He gets murdered because of Martel Wilson's murder case, and due to that, George Wilson will come and he will kill the J. Gatsby. And there we have Jordan, we have Tom Muchinan, we have Daisy Muchinan, we have Nick Carraway, and all these are the following characters in The Great Gatsby. Then we have then I'm going to study like Floating Opera by John Barth. Floating Opera, it is a showboat. This is a nihilistic comedy. It's a very interesting, friends, like how the Todd Andrews will try to kill 466 members in the, like you can say, in the floating opera in the showboat, and how he removes the whistles, all that faltu things, what all he wants to kill himself, he wants to do the suicide, what all he has tried. But later on, why this is called as nihilistic comedy? Because later on he realizes like why I'm doing all the such foolish things. When the God is willing that I have to survive on this earth, why cannot I can survive? So this is the background of the nihilistic story, The Floating Opera by John Barth. Next, I'll take you to the block number 9. Block number 7 is John Barth's Floating Opera. Block 3 is F. Scott Fitzgerald, The Great Gatsby. Block 2 is Theodore Dreiser of Sister Carrie. Block 1 is James F. Cooper of The Last of the Mohicans. Then lastly, I'm going to study the block 9, Alice Walker, The Color Purple. Why this story has called as a color purple? Like many people will be asking, thinking like why only they have chosen as a color purple? Because Silly was liking the purple as a color for her shoes, for her dress, for her hat, all that she was liking as the color purple. But behind that there is one story, when she was writing to the God, and God will listen to her, and later on she will get all the happiness when she grows up and when she will be in the middle age. Like not Alice, Silly and Nettie will be the sisters. Like Silly will be the daughter of her first mother, and then Nettie will be daughter of the second mother. And both, like, since Silly belongs from Negro background and Nettie belongs from the British background, both the parents both are having single father only, but that father will be killed by some of the Britishers, and they will be having one of the father as a Alfonso, as a pa. And as we know, like, actually if I tell this story here, I hope like Google won't accept, like YouTube won't accept it. So friends, I request further you have to study for this, especially for the color purple. And lastly, The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. It is by the block 6. It is wonderful, like written by novelist Catcher in the Rye. It is also by Holden Caulfield, like how he was tortured in the school, how he was became the abnormal, and now how he is telling his story from his childhood till adulthood. So this all I request, like you people have to study, and then just give me the reviews how you felt and how it was. So since YouTube will not accept my videos, so that's why. So thank you friends, and all the best. Do well in exams. See you soon with my next video for MEG 15, that is Comparative Literature Theory and Practice. See you all soon. Bye friends. All the best.